is the origin, OA is the initial ray. This ray may be called as terminal ray. Now, the angle between these two lines, say it is initial ray OA, terminal ray OB I am taking. This angle is, suppose x. If this angle is less than 90 degree, then x is called acute angle. And acute angle. Suppose it is 30, 40, 50, whatever the value, but it should be less than 90 degree. Now, I will, now this terminal ray is rotating about initial ray and it is exactly standing vertically upon it. Then we say that these two rays OA and OB are perpendicular. Means they are making an angle of 90 degree. Then this angle is called right angle. Angle AOB or right angle. Now, okay, this is the initial ray OA. Now it is making 90 degree angle. Okay, it is exactly perpendicular on it. Now if I further rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, now this angle is more than 90. Then we say that it is obtuse angle. It is called as obtuse angle. If the angle is, let this is AOB. If angle AOB is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, or we can say it like this, angle AOB, or you can call it as X something. If I call it as X, if angle X is lying between 180 degree and 90 degree, then X is called obtuse angle. See, more than 90 means obtuse. Now this ray is rotating. Now angle is 90 degree. It is more than 90 degree means obtuse. Till then it is in line with the initial ray. The angle is that. You see, now it is line with the initial ray. Suppose OA was the initial ray, OB is the terminal ray. See here, initial ray. This is terminal ray. Both has both have come in one line. Therefore, this angle is called is how much? 180 degree. If AOB angle is 180, then it is called as a straight angle. Why it is called a straight angle? Because OA and OB have come in one straight line. Therefore, it is called a straight angle. Straight angle is of 180 degree. You can say that two right angles means 290s is equal to 180. Now, further rotate the terminal again. See, this is acute angle. This is exactly perpendicular, right angle. This is more than 90 degree, obtuse angle. This is a straight angle. Now, it is more than straight angle, means more than 180 degree. Now, if I say that OB is the terminal ray, this is the initial ray, OA. This angle, which is more than 180 degree, is called a reflex angle. Reflex angle. What is the reflex angle? It is more than 180 but less than 360. X is lying between. Suppose this angle X is there, X degree, whatever, 180 degree and 360 degree. Then it is called a reflex angle. More than 180, less than 360. Now, further, let this is initial ray OA. Is rotating acute angle. This is 90. This is obtuse angle. Now it has come in straight line, straight angle. Now this is reflex angle. Thereby is completing a one rotation. Now if I say this is OB is terminal ray, OA is initial ray. Both have come in line with each other. Therefore, this type of angle is called complete angle. Because it is completing one rotation, therefore this angle will be equal to 360 degree. 360. This is called a complete angle. The value of complete angle is because one rotation is completed, therefore it can be called as a complete angle. Its value is equal to 360 degree.